今日咧就約咗我朋友去 North Van 一間餐廳食 brunch， 每次行呢條路都會覺得好舒服，好似入咗個小森林咁。到啦我哋。呢度嘅 brunch menu 出名有特色，我哋咧就嗌咗個 lobster benedict、bone marrow 嘅 omelette， 仲有 tiramisu French toast。佢哋個 lobster benedict 勁好食，佢個醬汁加埋啲 lobster 同埋個 runny egg 一齊食勁夾。我哋唔記得咗叫甜品後上添，好彩我哋食完個 main 之後佢都冇用到。佢上面啲 cream 咧就比較似 cream cheese 嗰種 texture， 唔會太甜，一齊食好鬆軟。本身食完之後咧就諗住喺附近行下，但我哋傾下，最後就決定翻 Vancouver 啦。估下我哋而家去緊邊度？就係 Vancouver Aquarium 啦。你知唔知 Vancouver 呢個 Aquarium 原來係全加拿大最大嘅水族館之一？我哋呢日嚟仲係 Winter Break， 所以都幾多人。Let's go！
Can you let me in?
So look, it's pretty warm. Wow, they're swimming all together. Wow. 我哋以為頭先嗰度就係 Sea Lion Training， 點知原來呢邊先係。我哋行到過嚟已經坐滿晒了。啲海獅勁得意啊！啲靚仔喺度打交。They're still fighting.
Another one.
It's so cute. Spotted fur.
So it's a very dense fur, very thick. They said it's so thick that their skin actually never gets wet.
Oh,
And
really?
they need a thick fur to keep them warm. The waters in BC are really cold. And unlike the seals or the sea lions, they don't have any blood or any fat to keep them warm.
我想講我朋友一邊睇魚一邊喺度同我講邊條好食啊，啲肉質係點啊，勁好笑。Which one? That one? This one? My friends say this one tastes like chicken. Yum, does it look familiar? Wow, it's huge.
What is the crab?
Giant. It's busy today. I don't think I've seen this before. 呢個 4D show 係用企鵝視覺嘅 camera 去影，睇下仲會有水啊、泡泡啊咁樣嘅 effect。
Not to forget any belongings or children you came in with.
You can touch sea star and sea urchin.
We don't want to poke them. Just
Okay.
very gently run them. They're quite delicate. We only want to touch that top part. Joe, what's your favorite animal?
Capybara.
No, here at the
Actually,
aquarium.
not
What about
really
here at the
can feel
aquarium?
it.
Jellyfish.
佢呢度都仲有其他生物，但係有啲咧就休息緊。
See, we have a lot of like similar creatures that are like completely harmless, like the moon jellies and like these guys. So if you put your finger in between the fingers,
Using my science finger. Oh, it's hard. Are you scared? Let me try this.
Could they move?
when you're done, give them a turn, okay?
Oh, yeah, they're moving towards me.
Yeah, so just take your pinky finger and stroke it down.
Oh.
Yeah,
Of like fish, but it doesn't want to eat the water, so
sharp,
it like
really sharp.
fat tongue. It pushes out the water. Yeah, it's a type of ray. That's cool.
Finding Nemo.
熱帶森林區。呢啲魚唔好睇佢個樣好似好善良咁啊，佢哋係食人倉嚟㗎。The skin. There's a little one here. Make sure there's a glasses here. 揾到樹懶啦！有一隻匿咗喺樹上邊啊！哇！仲有一隻喺上面瞓緊覺啊！ 我哋喺水族館都行咗差唔多2個鐘，佢哋4點有一個水獺嘅環節。佢哋應該知道啲飼養員差唔多到，係咁跳向呢個門度，係咁叫。佢啲叫聲好似 BB 仔咁。
So, they have started to be fed. The first adaptation I'm going to talk about is eating. So you might be able to see that they are being fed a couple of different things. So if it's orange, it's a propeller clam. If it's a beige colour, then it's going to be surf clam. And if it's kind of greyish and looks like a squid, it is a squid. So out in the invertebrate, this means if it crawls along our coastline or it lives in a shell, a sea otter is definitely going to be eating it.
行完水族館咯，佢哋個 souvenir shop 有勁多勁得意嘅公仔啊！What is it? Wow!
They glow in the dark. Jolly.
出嚟個天仲係光嘅。Stanley Park 呢個 feel 真係好舒服。今日就到呢度啦，拜拜。